Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store Try That Again error with code 0x80131500 on Windows. First, click on the search bar on your taskbar. Type Internet Options and open the result that appears. When the Internet Properties window opens, click on the Advanced tab at the top. Now scroll down through the list of settings until you find the security options. Here, locate the settings called Use SSL 3.0, Use TLS 1.0, and Use TLS 1.1. Make sure all three of these options are unchecked. If any of them are enabled, click the checkbox to remove the checkmark. After unchecking Use SSL 3.0, Use TLS 1.0, and Use TLS 1.1, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. You can also try clearing the cache. Press the Windows key and type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open and close automatically. This will clear the cache and open the Microsoft Store. Once you have done that, restart your computer. A restart is important because it allows Windows to apply the new settings correctly. Thanks for watching.